Now let's preview the week of April 17th to April 21st, post-Easter. So on Monday, it's a holiday in many places, but not a quiet day as Friday is. And we do have some interesting things. We have Chinese GDP and industrial output. China, the world's second largest economy. When China is in trouble, all the world is in trouble. And when China currently is rebounding, everybody enjoys that. So we have those figures early on Monday on low volume. We also have the New York Manufacturing Index in the United States. And then Tuesday is the day the volatility is coming back. Housing data in the United States, also industrial output, and for those trading the kiwi, we have the biweekly milk auction. On Wednesday, we have the final inflation figures for the Eurozone, oil inventories as usual, and those trading the kiwi. Another key event for the kiwi, CPI. On Thursday, the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, another early indicator of manufacturing and jobless claims. And on Friday, it's a busier day because we have purchasing managers indices from the Eurozone, retail sales in the UK. Brits are buying more essentials and less non-essentials. Again, the standard of living is falling there. Canadian inflation data and retail sales in the midday, and then existing home sales to close the week. And of course, tension next week will rise and rise and rise towards the French presidential elections. Okay. And before we begin to wrap up the show, just want to take a look at the figures that were released just now. Let me get that. Sorry for the short delay. Okay, so U.S. jobless claims came out at 234,000, better than expected. This is looking good. But PPI, producer price index, is a bit disappointing. A drop of 0.1 instead of 0 expected on the headline, and year over year, 2.3, and core PPI down to 1.6 instead of 1.8. So I would say mostly disappointing on the PPI. But if we look at the charts, let's see what they tell us. Let's move to I would say not a big move on euro dollar as a reaction to the data. Well, dollar is slightly stronger, but nothing really big. Okay,